like Sadio Mane.
He asked me, you like it?
The funniest thing, he was on your door always every day.
Oh yes, I miss his small voice, and you know the way he would look at us with a sympathetic view, and then he would say, Africa! How are you, Africa? Everything okay? I said, no, Egypt is also part of Africa. No. Arab country.
Arab country.
No Africa.
And this nonsense of Arabic country.
Egypt, no Africa. Arab country.
If you looked at you as African, if you looked at your I mean, you need a thought, like, you know, you're Africans and probably, you know, your skin tone, I think, you know, itches at night. Oh, Africa, you're eating. Africa is not one person, you say.
Africa is everywhere.
Yes. So I was telling him, no, we're on the train when I'm going to Asia. Oh, so all of you Africa?
Africa, you going?
So Africa on the train.
You know, it's Pacific lady. Pacific lady.
Yes.
When she drinks, love all.
I know, the Pacific lady.
Yeah.
Which she has an injection on her.
She's name?
Jonah.
Jonah. She dances very good.
You remember?
Yeah.
Mohammed?
She's remembering the dance.
Yeah.
Because
She's beautiful and sexy also.
Yeah.
Which one is that?
The one who came late, 2 women came late. Remember?